Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can convert a title to a header text in your screens and add prototypes on Uizard. So let us dive into this, guys. So navigate to your project here on Uizard and navigate also to the given screen with the text box. As you can see, I have already added text like this here with a standard text box. You can do this by using this text tool here on the left hand side. So one way would be to use, for example, a header block instead of a title block here. You can do that, but there's also the option, guys, to convert these text types into, or to format them into another text type. So let's say, for instance, we have inserted a standard text box here. What you would need to do in this case, guys, is select this option here, style to the left, and then choose the formatting you would like to use. So if it's a title, switch to header, and you would see the change here, right? So let us convert it to a paragraph, and it would look like that, and back to title. That's it, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.